Discover how you can start earning free cryptocurrency right from your mobile phone using simple Telegram bots. This method is not only accessible to everyone but also incredibly easy to follow even if you have never used a Telegram bot before. Do not worry, because in this video I will walk you through everything step by step. We will focus on a specific bot called Spellbot, which is a new and rising Telegram bot in the crypto space. Spellbot operates very similarly to another popular bot called Moneybox, but Spell comes with its own features and advantages. One of the most appealing things about Spellbot is that you can use it completely for free. There is no need to spend money, no requirement to buy anything, and no hidden fees or charges. Anyone with a Telegram account and a few minutes a day can get started immediately. It is perfect for people who are just curious about cryptocurrency or want to explore new ways to earn digital assets. Now let us talk about how you actually earn rewards. Spellbot rewards you in a digital token called Spellcoins. These coins are earned by doing basic activities inside the bot. These include watching short video ads, completing simple daily tasks, clicking on links, and checking in on a daily basis. Every day you have the chance to earn up to 100 coins, which adds up quickly, especially if you are consistent. The best part is that you can withdraw your Spell coins directly to your Binance account. Binance is one of the biggest cryptocurrency platforms in the world, and Spellbot makes it super easy to send your coins there. Once you reach the minimum amount, which is just 100 coins, you can initiate a withdrawal and you should receive your crypto in just a few minutes. There is no need for third-party wallets or complex wallet addresses. You simply link your Binance and go. And it gets even better. Spell is not the only bot offering this kind of opportunity. There are many Telegram bots out there that work in a very similar way. Some bots allow you to watch between 20 and 50 short advertisements each day. These ads only take a few seconds to complete and you are rewarded for each one. So if you are willing to spend 5 to 10 minutes a day, you can easily hit the withdrawal limit and start seeing rewards show up in your crypto wallet. Whether you are a total beginner, a student looking to earn a little extra on the side, or just someone interested in crypto but not ready to invest any money, this is a great way to get involved. There is no risk and nothing to lose. You do not need any technical experience or special knowledge. Just follow the steps and put in a little time each day. If you are curious about earning free crypto without buying coins or setting up mining equipment, these Telegram bots are a solid place to start. In this video I am going to show you how to register, how to complete the tasks, how to track your earnings, and most importantly how to withdraw your crypto to your Binance account. It is a simple system that can turn your free time into real crypto value. So stick around and watch until the end. Let us get you started and make your very first crypto withdrawal today using Telegram bots like Spell. You might be surprised how quickly those coins add up.